Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Penetration Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professionalism, what are the things you need to do in an interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization, what kind of decorum you need to follow in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge and as per the knowledge I have gathered from another articles also. So in my today's session, I have tried to, in my previous session, sorry, I have tried to provide you the base knowledge about ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works, what is called ChatGPT, what are the newest version of ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT, what it costs to use. So I have tried to provide you the end-to-end knowledge about ChatGPT. Right now, I'm going to talk about something that is how you can write down one question for answer in ChatGPT. So what are the best practices for writing prompts? So the first thing or the first point is at first be specific. Clearly state your requirements of question or to help the AI understand the context and generate a relevant response. Giving specific prompts with more details can help reduce the ambiguity. Okay. So the next one is use step by step or bullet point instructions. When seeking answers to complex questions or asking for the content creation, break your prompt down into smaller parts or provide a list of items you'd like to see in the response. So the next one is set the desired format. That is, if you have a preferred format or a style for the answer, make sure to mention it in your prompt. Ask for resources, okay, and ask for resources or the references. If you require information supported by research, ask ChatGPT to provide sources or the references if it responds. However, make sure you double check the link. ChatGPT can sometimes give dead links. So the next one is limit response length. If you need a concise answer, specifically the desired length, such as in one paragraph or in 100 words. Iterate. In the initial responses in the satisfactory. Refine your prompt or ask follow-up questions to get the desired output. Experiment. Feel free to try different approaches and phrasing to find the most effective way to communicate your needs to the AI. So ChatGPT is just a tool and you are going to need to adjust your prompt and instructions to get the best results. Don't hesitate to rephrase or provide additional context if the AI doesn't fully understand your request at first. You can ask ChatGPT to take on the role of a writer, editor, tutor, code helper, conversation partner, language translator, and pirate the legendary detective Columbo and more. So guys, this is for now. To know about ChatGPT, I'm going to provide you more information about it. Okay. So you can also ask it to use a variety of tones also. That is also needed. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot about it. So including formal, casual, uh, persuasive, and descriptive, humorous, emotional, technical, and more simply specify your desired tone. So humorous style is described in your prompt. So these are the things, guys. If you wanted to use ChatGPT, you need to know about the use of ChatGPT in proper way. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge. And in my other sessions, I've talked about more about ChatGPT, about another technologies also. If you wanted to know about that, you can go through my videos and you will get to know about all those things. So in PCS Global, we are providing the training in data science, we are providing the training in AI, we are providing the training in machine learning. So if you are a candidate who wanted to start your career through PCS Global, kindly communicate with us. And last but not the least, we are providing the training in Java, Java full stack, Java DevOps, and Salesforce as well. So if you are a candidate who has that aspiration to start careers and right now you're thinking from where you can start, this is the right time to communicate with us. We are providing the training. We are providing in the end-to-end training that is called the full stack training in each and every technology. Communicate and get the best from our side. So this is for now, guys. If you wanted to know more, kindly visit our website. Our phone numbers are going on in the description box. You can call us. You can communicate with our HR persons also. And whatever knowledge you need, we are here to provide you. So just communicate. And last but not the least, one more time, that is our EILP process is going on. That is our Employee Initiation Learning Program. So if you wanted a placement training, we are providing it. Just communicate and learn about technologies, learn about industry, how industry people are working, what are the things you need to do to be the part of an IT industry. Everything will be described or demonstrated by our side. So this is for now. Bye for now. If you find my videos are helpful, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment below.